Good morning, Mark's Crypto Corner News today, January 26th. It's only 8:17 a.m. and here we are. And here is Crypto Corner News for this day. What have we got? That looks kind of gory, doesn't it? The Blockchain Massacre. The startups in the Swiss crypto valley have lost half their value. Was Jason there for any reason? Kind of looks like he might have been. Bit of red rum. The market valuation of the 50 largest Swiss blockchain companies has more than halved within 3 months. Well, that's pretty quick. I think they were a little bit gung-ho, didn't really count their ducks properly. There's also more and more doubts about the potential of blockchain, really, in one person's opinion. But the industry is fighting. After a long-lasting hype in 2018, most cryptocurrencies crashed into the bottomless abyss. Similarly, in recent months, some crypto companies, such as blah blah blah, you know what, made the strong survive and the weak, well, there they go. I wonder what movie scene that's from. Looks kind of gory. Okay, the daily. Backed shares BTC futures details. KuCoin adds Grin trading pairs? Grin trading pairs. What is that? Grin. In the first weekend edition of the daily crypto exchange, KuCoin lists Mimblewimble Coin Grin. What is Mimble? Is this like from Harry Potter or something? Seems like. Mimblewimble Coin Grin, giving it several trading pairs, and Backed releases product details about its upcoming futures contracts. Also, a Chinese investor sues a famous Israeli crypto entrepreneur for alleged fraud, while Malta issues a warning about a get-rich-quick Bitcoin revolution scam. Yeah, there's always going to be a scam of some sort in every industry possible. Education, banking and finance, health, auto, everywhere there's a scammer. It doesn't matter what industry you're in. And on we go. Tidbits. Jesse Powell criticizes custodial ownership. Simon Dixon slams the banking system. Everybody slams the banking system. Who's that? Simon Dixon? Or just some sort of crazy villain? Okay, Tidbits is a roundup of talking points from across the cryptosphere. Today, Jesse Powell and Samson Mow both voice their opinions on the custodial ownership of assets through trusted third parties. Paul Stork shows the Bitcoin community that forks are not as frequent as they think, and Simon Dixon breaks down his 3 problems okay. I'm not interested in these guys' opinion. We're just looking for some good news. Bitfury creating new music platform with blockchain. Now that's interesting because I like to rock and roll. And what have we got for blockchain in the music industry? Bitfury is part of the early batch of Bitcoin miners that made incredible riches and now looks for ways to put their wealth to work. Even in the depths of market decline in the late 2018, Bitfury was still valued at more than $1 billion. They were able to bring in investment capital totaling $80 million. Bitfury. Well, what does it do? Bitfury.com. New music platform with blockchain. I wonder if it's like a peer-to-peer thing. Bitfury. The largest full-service blockchain technology company in the world. Well, probably not for long the way things are going. Newest mining server. What's this got to do with music? The Lightning Network is second layer protocol, yes, I've heard about that. Makes Bitcoin transactions super fast. This layer enables instant micropayments and better performance for public blockchains by creating off-chain payment channels. Cryptocurrency users can transact more efficiently with lower costs and shorter wait times. Yes, that's what I thought. So that's Bitfury, but for music, I don't know, whatever it's doing. Back to Mark's Crypto Corner news of today. So that was one unprecedented click of a link there. I don't usually do that, but here we go. That looks like it should be baked. BRD continues to rise. Are they saying this is BRD? It looks like bread to me. Maybe, yeah, bread. That's a slang term for money. Hey, man, you got any bread? Gains 15 million in Series B funding. Okay, BRD, a popular mobile cryptocurrency wallet. I've never heard of it. Available on both Android and iOS devices. In other words, Apple, has reportedly raised 15 million in Series B funding. The majority of the funding comes from a subsidiary company of Japan, SBI Holdings, called SBI Crypto Investment. The funding will primarily be used to further the development of the already solid product. So it's a wallet. Well, one wallet is enough for me. And here we go. Just because cryptocurrency isn't legal tender doesn't make it illegal. Well, that is so true. Otherwise, we'd all be messed up, wouldn't we? The government would be chasing us. Hey, you own Bitcoin. Give it to us, and we'll take care of it for you. I know that banks and governments, shysters. Central bank warnings about crypto assets may give the impression that cryptocurrency is illegal, especially since these entities can often cite reasons as to why they're uncomfortable with the virtual currencies encroaching on their turf. Yeah, that is true. But their assertions are often inaccurate, particularly when it comes to determining the legality of cryptocurrency. Yeah, look. And also the Jamaica Stock Exchange, they have a stock exchange, plans to add cryptos to their exchange. Probably that's the news. I'm not going to go there. Post source, yeah, more Bitcoin's rapid growth. What's growing rapidly? Yet another tool for analyzing the crypto markets has been born. A measurement stick? What is it? With special thanks to the team at LedgerX, the U.S. regulated Bitcoin spot option platform, we can see the first major Bitcoin volatility index. Here we can see Bitcoin's volatility slipping over the last month. As the market grows, we're seeing more mechanisms to show what's going on. Yeah, we know it's volatile. That's the beauty of it, because you can ride those ups and downs with the signals, these cool signals that we get. Ups and downs, buy low, sell high. It's been the principle of business since the dawn of time. Swiss bank partners with Bitstamp to enable BTC funding and withdrawals. All right. Cryptocurrency exchange Bitstamp has partnered with a Swiss bank to allow the bank's customers to fund their dollar-denominated accounts with BTC as well as withdraw funds in the cryptocurrency. Deposited coins are converted to US dollars. Withdrawals are converted to Bitcoin and transferred to the crypto wallets linked to clients' accounts. See, the bank can play a positive role in Bitcoin. It kind of is a strange thing how Bitcoin was supposed to be something away from the banks, and now the banks are somewhat embracing it. Some are scared, some governments like it, some are scared. It's all messed up, but it's beautiful at the same time. So what's next? EToro adds Zcash. Well, EToro does not operate in Canada, and I might have mentioned that before. So they got a list of more altcoin offerings. Yeah, big deal. Social trading and multi-asset brokerage company eToro has added Zcash to its extensive list of cryptocurrency offerings, bringing the total number of said assets up to 14. Zcash is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency project not dissimilar to Bitcoin. Both projects share a total fixed supply of 21 million coins. Yeah, well, there are a total of 21 million Bitcoins, some of which are lost, and people are frantically searching hard drives and everything to find them. That's worse than looking for a needle in a haystack. Okay. JP Morgan. Bitcoin would only make sense in a dystopian scenario. What is dystopian? Probably not utopian. JP Morgan has continued to bash Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, yet they're buying it up. Please. These guys are so full of Christ, crap, junk. They're just full of themselves, man. Okay, saying the value of them is still unproven, and it will be at least another 3 to 5 years before blockchain technology makes a difference to the banking sector. Well, we don't care about the banking sector. Like, who really does? So that's it. See this? Share your love. Hit one of these buttons for me, would you please? And as we scroll back up here, let's do this a little more quickly here. You want to put your email here because that's so gory. You put your email here and find out how you can leverage and compound. And as it turns out, crush it with some cool marketing information. If you've ever tried a home business or some kind of business online and you just suck at it, this is where you don't suck at it, because everything is laid out for you step by step, video by video. Do this, do that, press this, press that, and you can discuss the results, join our groups, join our powwow sessions, communicate with all kinds of people in the groups, and you're really not going to go wrong unless you just quit like most people, you know. And trust me, here, right now, you're 3 feet from gold. 3 feet from gold, I tell you. All right, so put your name in there, your email, find out what's going on, and I'm going to give you some links. You can watch some videos, and if you want, you can get started, because in 5 years from now, what are you going to say? Oh, I wish I had done that. What if I had done that? Or do you want to say, I'm glad I did that. You know, I'm glad I listened to that guy at Mark's Crypto Corner, me, Mark, that's me, and did this. You know, there's a little bit of knowledge that you need to learn to get to where you want to be, and this is the place you can find out how to do that. So on that note, it's a happy Saturday. It's 8:30. I love you guys. And my good brothers and sisters, I'll see you next Saturday with another edition of Mark's Crypto Corner News. All right, love to love you, baby. See ya.